Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. I'm Meher and today we're going to be diving into a very interesting topic. These are 6 things that men should do before they turn 30. Let's face it, your 20s are a roller coaster. Before you know it, you have to find out your passion, who you want to be. So, I'm going to be sharing 6 tips of things men need to do before they turn 30. Before I start these tips though, make sure to subscribe to our YouTube channel, The Men's Guide by Dari Mood. Now, these are things जो आप किसी भी time पे कर सकते हैं. These are small habits जो आप अपनी daily life में incorporate कर सकते हैं. First step is to master your finances. I'm not a financial professional, इसलिए you should do your own research before you carry this on. But I will say you should know how to budget. Budgeting means you see where your money goes in and out each month. So you should keep a record of how much money you're spending versus how much money you're saving. It's very important to do that. And एक और tip जो बहुत interesting है, जो आपको saving के साथ help कर सकती है is compound interest, which works as magic for your money. So make sure कि आप एक financial professional के पास जाएं, उससे थोड़ी advice लें about this topic, and then you do your research and carry on. And even across the internet, there's so many resources that you can reach out to really understand how budgeting works. Okay, this is a very important tip, which is invest in yourself. Now, by investing in myself, मेरे से मतलब ये नहीं कि आप सिर्फ gym जाएं. You should also make sure कि आप अपनी physical health के साथ अपनी mental health पे भी focus कर रहे हो. So you should make sure that you have a very good, nutritious, balanced diet for yourself, and you can carry this on with your health progressing too. You can make sure that you go to the gym and you do some body weight exercises at home. As for your mental health, make sure कि आप stress management को सही से करें और balance रखें. Work life balance कर रखना बहुत important है for your stress management. Stress management is very important for overall well-being. इसलिए you have to make sure that you are managing your mental and physical health together, and ये करने के बहुत तरीके हैं. You should try meditating, yoga, even journaling. I personally love to journal. Every time मुझे लगता है I'm thinking too much, I like to jot it down maybe in like a journal or a diary. That really helps with time management and stress management. It's important to remember that a healthy body can lead to a really good change in a healthy mind, and it's really important that you make these small changes in your daily life that will overall lead to a bigger change in the future. Our third tip is to develop your signature style. अब signature style का मतलब ये नहीं कि सिर्फ you should be good at fashion. You should make sure कि you wear such clothes जो आपकी body type और आपकी unique personality को complement करें. So what I mean by that is that you wear clothes that make you feel good and look good. So make sure that you're wearing something that flatters you, but also something that makes you feel comfortable. और अपने style को ढूंढने में it does take some time. So make sure that you go at your own pace and find out what really works for you. Another thing that you should do is that when you're finding out your unique style, make sure that you tailor your outfits according to you. So maybe take a trip to your local tailor and उसको थोड़ा बताएं कि आपको कैसे fitting की clothes अच्छे लगते हैं, how you like to wear them. So make sure that you spend some time on the type of clothing you really want. And also the type of clothes you wear really reflect your unique personality. A well-fitted outfit can make a huge difference in how you feel and how you look. So make sure that you're spending time making an outfit जो आपको really complement करे. So find your own style and have fun with it. If you find it a bit challenging to really understand your style, it's totally normal to feel that way. Really take your time with experimenting with your style, and different clothing brands and clothing YouTubers even उनको follow करें and really understand जो चीज़ आपको और आपकी unique personality और आपकी unique body type को complement करे. This really takes some time to do, so make sure that you're doing it correctly. The key is to have fun with your wardrobe and to embrace what really makes you look unique. My fourth tip is to explore your passions. Now, having hobbies outside of your work is so important because you really know what you really like to do in your free time. So, for example, personally, I like to paint or sing in my free time because it really helps me to connect with myself on a deeper level and understand that I have a life outside of what I study or work too. So it's important that you find a balance and you explore your passions. इस तरह से you can even meet like-minded individuals or people who think the same way as you, and this can really help you connect with other people as well. So you should really explore your passions. So my fifth tip is to set smart goals for the future. हर मर्द के लिए बहुत important है कि वो before 30s अपनी life को figure out करे, अपने passions को, अपने goals को, what really helps them to have a driving force in their life. So it's important that you follow these tips as a man. Setting smart goals is a great way to ensure that you have a clear focus and a great vision for your future. Smart goals don't just mean like smart, intelligent wise. This means that you have goals that are specific, that are measurable, achievable, relevant and time bound. Now I know ये बहुत ज़्यादा लफ्ज़ हैं, but that really means कि आप specific goals जो आपकी life या आपके phase को complement करें, उस तरह के goals set करें जो achievable हो and realistic हो. Realistic goals से मेरा मतलब ये है that goals that can be achievable with small efforts, like daily efforts. Daily efforts का मतलब ये है, maybe you want to get up earlier than your usual routine in the morning, maybe you want to work out a little bit more. So do things that are easy to do but in the long term will really benefit you. Setting short-term goals really helped me realize that I can count those small goals as bigger wins in the long term. This way you can celebrate small victories that keep you motivated and keep you really focused for your bigger goals in the future. There are several great resources available online जो आपको ये चीज़ करने में help करेंगी. These tools can help you organize your tasks, set deadlines and to have a very realistic goal and a focus for the future. So, on a personal level, औरतों को ये वाली quality बहुत attractive and appealing लगती है for men who are very passionate about their individual goals. So make sure that you have a life outside of your personal relationships or your families and you're following something which is really important to you. Setting goals both short term and long term is a great way to stay focused towards your aspirations and your passions in life. So boys, make sure कि आप अपना time waste ना कर रहे हो messaging different girls at one time. Instead, focus on yourself and your passion. Ideally, अगर आपने ये सारी tips को follow कर लिया and you have mastered your finances, you have invested in yourself, in your style, in your personal developmental goals, that doesn't mean कि आप अपनी family को बिल्कुल neglect कर दें. Along with your work, make sure कि आप अपने partner को time दें, अपने loved ones को time दें. Communication is so important in these relationships because you really need to understand what the other person is thinking. And you cannot understand that if you are not knowing what they're saying. So communication should be very clear. And you should make sure कि आप actively listen करें उनके concerns को, whatever concerns they might be. So make sure that you are spending time trying to understand another person. In your personal relations, make sure that you're giving full attention to your loved ones. आप उनके concerns को address करें, understand करें, empathize करें, and really understand where they're coming from. This is so important to do if you want to understand the other person on a much deeper level. Every now and then make sure कि आप अपने partner के लिए छोटे मोटे gifts या surprises plan करें. Something that really makes them understand how much you value them. So do these little things and they're gonna feel so much better. There are several resources available online to improve communication and to understand another person. So make sure you check them out. And personally, the girls love men who actually pay attention to what they're saying, जो expressive हों, जो उनको time and effort दें, and openly and honestly एक conversation में partake करें. Remember the saying, happy wife, happy life. So make sure that you're really investing time and effort into your partners so that you both have a fulfilling and a committed and a loving relationship. So there you have it, boys. These are just some key things that you can do to set yourself up for success in your 30s and even beyond. Let me know कौन सी tip really resonated with you and you found interesting in the comment section down below. And if you enjoyed these tips, please don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel, The Men's Guide by Dari Mooch.